Hi, I'm Kim Brown. Glad you could join me today. We had some friends who were healthy, fit, active, enjoying life, but they would only have one teeny square of dark chocolate once a week. Whew! Not me. I could have chocolate any hour of the day, any day of the week. I could have chocolate for a meal if I wanted to. I could get up in the middle of the night and have chocolate if I wanted to. I believed I was deprived of every good thing. I was not going to deprive myself of the one thing I enjoyed that I could control and could freely give myself. Now, an interesting thing about our unconscious minds, whatever we focus on, we get more of. What was I focused on? Being deprived. So, what did I get more of? My heart's desire was to feel comfortable in my own skin, to enjoy my life, to enjoy my relationships. But remember what my belief was? I am deprived of every good thing, everything that matters most to me. Now, the job of our unconscious mind is to keep us safely in line with our beliefs. It doesn't matter whether it's logical or moral. Its job is to keep us safely in line with what we believe. It's just as much its job as it is to keep us breathing. My belief system was that I was deprived of everything that mattered most. So, what mattered most? Being comfortable in my own skin, enjoying my life, enjoying my relationships. I had to inhale chocolate because inhaling chocolate kept me gaining weight, and gaining weight kept me despising myself, and despising myself kept me withdrawing from relationships, withdrawing from events and activities, withdrawing from my life. Would it be okay to notice your vicious cycle, to notice the place where you believe you are stuck, and then ask yourself some questions? What does this cause me to believe? What do I truly desire? And then notice how your belief is keeping you safely from what you desire. You aren't sabotaging yourself. You are successfully following your belief system, and you can change it. The most amazing thing you will ever experience is the experience of changing your mind. Consider giving yourself permission to do so. You really are worth it. Thanks for watching this video, and remember, no matter what you've experienced in the past, today is a new day. See you next time.